Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a powerful financial tool that can help you reduce your taxes. Life insurance. If you haven't considered life insurance as part of your tax strategy, stay tuned. I'm Anthony G. Hunter from Anthony G. Hunter Agency LLC. Life insurance is a contract between you and an insurance company. In exchange for your premium payments, the insurance company provides a death benefit to your beneficiaries. But there's more to it than just a death benefit. Life insurance can also serve as a strategic tool for tax planning. One of the most significant benefits is that the death benefit paid to your beneficiaries is generally income tax-free. For permanent life insurance policies, the cash value grows on a tax-deferred basis. You can take loans against the cash value of your permanent life insurance policy, and these loans are typically tax-free. Life insurance can also play a crucial role in estate planning. By setting up an irrevocable life insurance trust, you can keep the death benefit out of your taxable estate. Consult with a financial advisor or tax professional to understand how life insurance fits into your tax strategy. For personalized advice, feel free to reach out to me at Anthony G. Hunter Agency LLC. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.